to get Netflix games in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply get Netflix mobile games in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is tap on the Netflix application to open it and open up your profile. Once you have opened up your profile, you're going to scroll down till the very last or whenever you find that games option. When you do find that games option in it, what you're going to do is you're going to find a games option. So when you do, you're going to tap on the game you like. Once you have done that, a new page is going to appear in which there is a button get game. You're going to tap on that button and eventually you'll be referred to the Play Store by the Netflix, and here under the game you can see the Netflix. So that means it is the game or it is redirected by the Netflix or it is the game owned by Netflix. So when you're going to tap on the install button, so this is how you do it. This is how you download a game or get the game through Netflix, or this is how you play game through Netflix. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.